to lesson 3 here on Free Code Camp, JavaScript Algorithms Data Structure Certification, ES6. I'm going to get started with this one, using destructuring. So this lesson's a little messed up, so we're actually going to go into JSBin and just run this lesson, and this is what the lesson is. Basically, we just want to destructure tomorrow out of average temperatures, which means we're just going to plug this property out, and then this colon syntax will allow us to reassign this value to whatever we want, and then we'll just go ahead and return. If we run this, we see we get 79. So unfortunately, that one's not working on here, at least that I could see. Next up, we're going to do from nested objects, right? And what we're going to do is use destructuring to obtain max of forecast to tomorrow and assign it to. So what we can do here is we can say tomorrow, and then actually, yeah, I'm going to say max, and then I want to just assign it to max of tomorrow, and we should run this. Let me see. Messing more. Max tomorrow. Let me see. Equals local forecast. I took off one too many. There we go. And saying that nested destructuring is not picking up on that, even though we did use that. But again, if we bring this into the console, we can sort of just verify that this does work. It should be 84, right? And let me just run this. There we go, 84.6. Okay, let's move on to number 3 here. It's kind of a shame that these don't work. We're going to do it with arrays. So I'm not really going to mess with this that much. And basically, we just want value of A should be 6, value of B should be 8. So let me go ahead and run these. And B should be 8. So what we're going to do here basically is just do 6, 8, and A should be 6. So what we can do here is basically just do B and A. And then, let's see. I think what we can do is, let's see. I think A, B, and there we go. That's all we need to do. Let me try and run that in this little editor real quick and see if that works. There we go. Cool. All right. So next one, the rest operator to perform an effective slice. That array is a subarray of the original source with the first 2 elements emitted. So what we can do is basically just do list.slice2, something like that, and run that. And what is it saying? Array is read only. Oh, let me see. Array is read only. Let me see. Array.slice should not be used. Oh, okay. So what we can say is let's see, first 2 removed, and oh, I guess we can just do this. We can just say const array elements to add. We can do for, and then we can say we'll just say first, second elements to add list, and we'll just return array equals list, or sorry, elements to add. We can run that, and array is read only. Let me just run this. Seems like these challenges are a little messed up. Cannot access array before initialization, and let's do that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this should work. Let me just copy and paste this back in here. Okay, array is not a function, so there's something wrong with the test, but this does indeed work, and array and source, and then we want array to be, basically we just want first, second elements to add. And elements to add. Do not iterable. Let me just console.log elements to add list. What is list? Yeah. And then there we go. And then 2, 4, 5, and then I think that works. Let me just see. There we go. And finally, let's go to the last challenge. We're going to use destructuring to pass an object as a function's parameters. So what we can do here is within the argument to the function half to send only max and min. So we're just going to change this to say max and min. So now we're expecting an object with these props right here. And there we go. Let's clean that up a little bit. So go ahead and run that. Good to go. That's it, guys, for lesson 3. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out my videos for more. Go check out the links in the description for the course I recommend. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.